So this is 7533 Delmar. Walk in and there's an entranceway. You go into the living room. Here's the living room. It's very nice and light. Here's the dining room. Again, light dining room. And here we have a breakfast nook which she made into a workplace. Kitchen. Fridge. And here's another pantry. This is really cute. Yeah, it's so new. Built-in closet. Room. With the closet. Walk-in closet. Here's the bathroom. It's actually a very big closet or bathroom with a getting ready place. Sink, toilet, shower. Here's the second bedroom, which I think will be our bedroom. A closet. There's another closet right there?
Yeah, huge.
It is? Oh my god. Another closet.
A lot of closet space.
A lot of closet space.
Nice.
Vanessa very likes it.
A lot of closet. Did you see the bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh.
Doorway.
You still have a doorway.
Yeah, I really like